Welcome to Libertex. It's been a difficult time to be a cryptocurrency trader. For the first months of 2021, it seemed as if there was no end in sight for the gains to be made as so many cryptos and altcoins continued to break and set new all-time highs. With where the market is now, it's a different story. Fueling a lot of the fear is how Bitcoin shot past $64,000 and over the span of just several weeks declined to nearly half that, with where it's trading now around $33,000. Other cryptocurrencies were equally decimated, not only influenced by the crypto sell-off, but by Bitcoin's unique drop as well. In this video, we'll be exploring the top reasons for the crypto market crash, as well as whether we can expect another bull run to come sweeping into the markets and bring us out of the red. For all things crypto, stocks, metals, and the latest breakout developments for your trades, make sure to help fuel more content by liking this video and helping the channel by subscribing and joining our community of traders. So without further ado, let's talk about the crypto crash. However you may interpret this crash, there are many terms that are thrown around. Some call it a correction, a pullback, sell-off, or even a bubble. As we all know from how crypto assets have been trading, the crypto space is incredibly volatile, which is one of the reasons it attracts so much attention when it's doing well, and on the contrary, panic when it's not. Hate it or love it, market sentiment is one of the central influencers that can cause a rally or prolong a crash in the crypto world, and the majority of that sentiment has historically revolved around one asset, Bitcoin. Whenever there is anxious sentiment about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin starts decreasing in value, the rest of the cryptocurrency space tends to react and follow suit, often at a more accelerated and volatile pace. What's more interesting is that following crypto crashes and pullbacks, Bitcoin is usually the first asset to start rebounding, which usually pulls the others out of the dirt with it. This phenomenon is known as coupling, when Bitcoin influences the price of other crypto assets. Decoupling, on the other hand, occurs when the other crypto assets, largely altcoins, move independently from Bitcoin. This is something that a lot of crypto traders and enthusiasts hope to see and realize moving forward, as the accomplishment of this would indicate that the crypto space is maturing, accelerating, and standing on its own feet without significant external influence. Another reason for the prolonged crypto crash has to do with FUD, otherwise known as fear, uncertainty, and doubt. The crypto space has been repeatedly bashed and attacked by prominent market influencers, billionaires, mainstream media outlets, and publications hyping up the sustainability of crypto and placing doubt on the future applications of crypto itself. One of the biggest reasons for the current state of crypto has been centered around China, and things are not looking great. The start of the crash was prompted by China issuing a crackdown on crypto assets, and on Monday, June 21st, China reiterated its stance, summoning some of the country's biggest lenders such as Alipay. In addition to the developments in China, the recovery and seemingly unlikely prospect of further stimulus agreements has hurt the crypto markets, as there has been an uptick in confidence brought back to the general markets. For reasons tied to this, many like to frame Bitcoin and crypto as having similar market properties as safe haven assets like gold, in that they tend to move to the upside when there is volatility and fear in the more traditional markets. Currently trading in the low $30,000 range, a Bitcoin break below $30,000 would further hurt the crypto space, as this has been a central range of support that has so far capped greater downside throughout this reactionary pullback. What's more is that the altcoin space has mostly failed to recuperate its standing during these developments, which only serve to increase their reliance on Bitcoin to pull them out of the rut, at least in the short term. Still, with all of the uncertainty and events handicapping gains, Bitcoin is still valued up 200% from where it started out year to date, and the Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index has nearly quadrupled over the course of the same period. The current negative market conditions are more a result of pent-up energy following such a rapid run-up, combined with some of the high anxiety-producing events, notably the hardline crypto stance starting to come out of China. However long the red will continue for many traders, crypto is a long game. Before you speculate on crypto assets, always do your due diligence, know what the asset does, know how it's used, and determine whether you see long-term value in the project or if it's just something with meme potential. There are a growing number of developments scheduled to take place across the world of cryptocurrencies, not only for Bitcoin, but for Ethereum, Monero, Cardano, and more. Some still believe that 2021 could get another bull run once many of these developments start coming to fruition around the end of summer and start of fall. So keep your most interesting assets in your watch list to decide whether or not the current levels are worth buying into with confidence. Do you think crypto will continue falling throughout July, or is it finally time to get a rebound? Let us know your thoughts and price predictions for your favorite crypto assets, as well as your opinion on the reasons behind the crash. Leave a comment below to join the conversation with our community of analysts, and for more content on all things trading, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest on Bitcoin, crypto, stocks, metals, and more. Whether you're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or anything else, we hope that you'll be on the better side of volatility and take your trading to the next level. Check out Libertex.com today to start trading Bitcoin, as well as other assets like Dogecoin and more today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.